In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to subscribe to Amazon Prime. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon Prime app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now, inside homepage, you're gonna find this option of Join Prime. Click on that. Once again, click on the option Join Prime. You'll find different available subscription plans, including monthly or yearly options, and sometimes even free trial offers depending on your eligibility. Select the plan that suits you best and tap Join Prime. The app may redirect you to a browser or checkout page where you will need to confirm your details and add a payment method such as a debit or credit card. Once everything is filled in, confirm your subscription and complete the sign-up process. If you cannot find the option inside the app, you can also open a browser, search for Amazon Prime, sign into your account and subscribe directly from the official website. After subscribing, you can enjoy all the Prime benefits like faster delivery, exclusive deals, and access to Prime Video by downloading the respective apps and sign in with the same account. So that's all for this video. This is how you can easily subscribe to Amazon Prime. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.